RSS has sought permission to hold a march in Kalaburgi on October 19th in Chittarpur, which is Priyank Kharge's constituency. Now, cops are still reviewing the request. It's important to understand that this request comes ahead of the RSS march, which has been proposed for the 19th of October in Chittarpur. Officials removed saffron flags and banners put in the town, citing lack of permission. Important to understand that the RSS on the one hand has said that they have sought police approval for the event, which is still under review. They say that they have paid about 6,000 as advertisement tax to the municipality to put up the banners and the flags. Important to understand that this is the latest that we're tracking in the RSS in Karnataka government row. Going back to my colleague Deepak on this. Deepak, walk us through this. They've sought a permission, the RSS. In fact, let's listen into what the officials had to say.
Public roads and public spaces. It cannot be a free for all. You have anything to do, you have any function to celebrate, seek permission from the authorities, as we have told you. Whether it's a government institution, aided institution, government grounds, gardens, public places, anything. You cannot march at your whims and fancies. You will not be allowed to brandish sticks and intimidate people with slogans. You want to do anything, seek permission.
Well, going back to my colleague Deepak on this. Deepak, the RSS has sought permission to hold a march in Kalaburgi on the 19th of October. Walk us through the details. This is, of course, Priyank Kharge's constituency. So what exactly is the entire situation looking like there?
Well, we've just heard what Mr. Priyank Kharge has had to say just a couple of days ago in the Karnataka cabinet. It was decided that for any organization, including the RSS, to hold an event on a public road or in a government premises, clear-cut permissions have to be sought. Now, here in Chittarpur, following the standoff between the state government and the RSS has gone ahead and put an application to hold a march, in Chittarpur. Chittarpur is the constituency from where Mr. Priyank Kharge, of course, has been elected. Now, while a request has been put, the police are reviewing that request. Meanwhile, they had gone to the municipality there, paid the fees to put up hoardings and the flags, the saffron flags as well ahead of the march. That has been removed last night, and we saw some small protests as well by the RSS over this action being initiated by the municipal officials there. We'll really have to see now whether permission will be given for this event. If it is not, how is that going to turn out politically, and more importantly, this standoff, of course, between the state government and the RSS, how will this really unfold in the days to come is going to be very interesting to watch.